How to enter the individual customers and their opening balances in Xero. Hi everyone, my name is Saad, and in this video we are going to see that if you want to add the account receivable details and also at the same time the customer's individual details, how we can do this. So in this scenario, I have already entered some of the ledgers. Let's say we have some bank account balances, we have some other balances and all, and I'm supposing that the company is not new. It's transferring its accounts to basically from manual accounting to computerized accounting, and they've chosen Xero for that. So they have entered all of these balances, but when it comes to debtors or receivables, accounts payable and stock, this balances is connected to individual party balances as well. This 195,000 is the total of individual customer balances, and each of the customer balances should show in the accounting software as well as 85,000, 30,000, 65,000 and 15,000, which makes the total of 195,000. So what I want is, if I put the account receivable balances as a total, it should ask for the individual customer details as well. So let's see the solution for this. What I will do is, I have put the rest of all the balances, but let's try this one, accounts receivable. Just copy and paste this balance here. And when I try to save this, let's see what happens. When I try to save this, it will show you that the balance is out by 195,000, and it shows enter the invoices sent on or before 31st December 2023 that have not been fully paid. So this means now it's asking for the opening balances to be entered. Let's quickly add the invoices. Let's choose Justin here, and it says issue date is 31st December. That's perfect. And let's pick the due date as 1st of January. Reference will be opening balance. Now in the opening balance, we don't have any inventory item, right? So what we will do is just write here opening balance, just like that, and just put the amount right here, because that is the only details we have for the opening balances of that particular customer. And let's see now it is able to save this or not. Save and add another. Let's go here. Now the next one we have is Albert. Again this one, and due date is 1st of January. Put here opening balances, here opening balance as 1, and let's go to save and add another. Now let's write here Victor. Let's make it first, opening balance here as well, and just simply choose this one. Save and add another. Now let's go to this, write the next one, opening balance here as well. All right, due date is 1st of next month, and let's copy and paste this final balance and click on save and add another. Now let's go to the conversion balances again, and let's try to save this. And see what it shows now. Now the balances are saved. So if we go to all contacts, we can see that in the customer section, they owe us this money. So that's how we enter this. If we go to business and invoices, all of them are awaiting payment, and it's also matched against the opening balances. So that's the quick solution for this, how you can enter the customer individual balances as an opening balance and match against the account receivable. So just practice this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.